Can you imagine the latest iPhone 15, a device that prides itself on cutting-edge technology, having trouble charging in your brand-new General Motors car? Yes, you heard that right. There's a peculiar issue brewing in the tech and automotive world. Reports are pouring in from iPhone 15 users experiencing difficulty charging their devices in Chevrolet, Cadillac, and Buick vehicles. It seems that the phone only charges for a few fleeting seconds before abruptly stopping. This issue has been particularly noticeable after users updated to iOS 17.1. An intriguing fact to note here is that this is different from the previous wireless charging problem linked with BMWs, which Apple managed to resolve with an update in iOS January 1, 17. General Motors, a titan in the automobile industry, and Apple, a behemoth in the tech world, have both acknowledged the issue. Yet they remain somewhat cryptic, providing no further details or concrete solutions at this time. For the countless consumers who rely on these companies for their daily commute and connectivity, this problem poses quite the inconvenience. Now, one might wonder, with such advanced technology at our fingertips, how could a simple function like wireless charging become a stumbling block? It's a question that has tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike scratching their heads. However, it's also a reminder that even in our high-tech world, glitches do occur. As this curious case unravels, the spotlight is on both General Motors and Apple. How they respond to this issue could set a precedent for how tech and automotive industries handle such challenges in the future. Will we see a rapid response, or will this become a drawn-out saga of software updates and vehicle modifications? In summary, the latest iPhone 15 has run into a wireless charging issue in General Motors vehicles. Both companies have acknowledged the problem, but no clear solutions have surfaced yet. It's a situation that leaves many users in a lurch, awaiting a fix to an issue they probably never imagined they'd encounter. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor this developing story. For now, iPhone 15 users might want to keep a charging cable handy in their GM vehicles, just in case.